Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to show you how to make smooth, creamy, delicious palak paneer. So without wasting our time, let's see how to make palak paneer. First of all, clean and wash spinach in water to remove any soil. Then boil the spinach in water for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain it using a big spoon or a strainer. Once the spinach cools down, transfer it to a jar of a mixer grinder and grind until smooth puree. For masala, grind together 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger and keep aside. Heat oil in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. When they begin to splutter, add the masala. Saute until the mixture leaves the sides of the pan. Now add all the dry masalas, cumin seed powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, chili powder and salt. Mix well. Now add 1 medium tomato. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and pulpy. Now add kasuri methi and mix well. Saute until the mixture leaves the sides of the pan. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can add it in the beginning too. Now add the spinach puree. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. Mix well. Add paneer pieces and mix well. Cook for 1 minute more, then switch off the flame. Avoid overcooking. Serve palak paneer with naan, roti or rice. Our delicious palak paneer is ready to serve now. Garnish it with a little cream. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.